Racing just is started. We have Wildstorm break quickly at a start. Rushing up now on the outside. Custer in the middle portion. Best guys. The next online is Got to Know Chevron. Racing to Glory comes next. Major Credit. Down on the inside is Louis Alexa. Britney's Glory. Well, luck. And K is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Best Guys by about 3 lengths. Got to Know in second. Chevron is racing in third. Alongside for the outside is Racing to Glory. Then next online is Wildstorm, Louis Alexa, Major Credit, Britney's Glory, Luck and K, while Custer now racing in less. Inside the 3 octavo. Best Guys moving up now on the outside is Got to Know Chevron is down on the inside third. Then comes Racing to Glory, Wildstorm, Louis Alexa, then followed by Major Credit. Britney's Glory comes next. Custer, while Luck and K now racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Got to Know. Best Guys is down on the inside. Moving up now on the outside is Chevron. To take the lead, we have Chevron now takes command. Got to Know, Best Guys in third. Major Credit, Louis Alexa, and finally we have Chevron. Got to Know. Best Guys close with Major Credit. Then comes number 1 Louis Alexa and Britney's Glory for your Super 6.
All right. Close start.